Hi, good day. Today, we will learn about compound interest. Let's start problem number 1. Determine the compound amount if $12,000 is invested at 10% compounded quarterly for 5 years. So, okay, first na gagawin natin is write the formula for compound interest. The formula is F is equal to P times the quantity of 1 plus I raised to n. So, ito po yung formula ng compound interest. Second, let's identify the given facts. What is R? R is 10% or 0.10. T is 5 years. M is, in our problem, compounded quarterly. So M is 4. P is $12,000. So, based sa given na to, mahanap natin yung value ng I. So, to compute I is equal to R divided by M, or 0.10 divided by 4 is equal to 0.025. So, nahanap natin yung value ng I. Next is value ng N is T times M. So, T is 5, M is 4. So, 5 times 4 is 20. So, naman natin ang value ng I and M. So, let's substitute sa given formula. Ito. So, F, or the compound amount, is equal to P, that is $12,000, times the quantity of 1 plus 0.025, that is I, and then raised to N, which is 20. So, let's compute. Let's input this in our calculator. So, kailangan po tama yung pagkaka-input and yung kakalagay ng parenthesis. 1 plus 0.025 raised to 20. So, the answer is $19,663.40. 0.40 pala. So, ito na po yung compound amount sa problem number 1. So, let's go to problem number 2. Problem number 2 is determine the compound amount if $20,000 is invested at 15% compounded semi-annually for 6 years. So, ayan pa. Gagawin natin is determine or identify the given facts based sa problem. So, what is R? R is 15% or 0.15. What is T? T is 6 years. So, this is 6. M? What is M? M, based in our problem, is compounded semi-annually. So, semi-annually, it means the M is equal to 2 and P is $20,000. Now, let's compute for I. I is equal to R divided by M is equal to 0.15 divided by 2 is equal to 0.075, and the N T times M is equal to 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Now, nahanap na po natin or na-compute na natin yung value ng I and N. So, let's substitute sa formula. So, F is equal to E, $20,000 times 1 plus I, that is 0.75 raised to N, that is 12. So, let's input this in our calculator. So, F is equal to 20,000 times 20 of 1 plus 0.075 raised to 12. So, the answer is 47,635.59. So, this is the answer in problem number 2. So, okay, let's move on to problem number 3. Problem number 3 is, Mr. Torres wants to have $150,000 in his account at the end of 10 years. How much should he invest today in a bank that pays 8% compounded monthly? So, para may pinagkaiba siya sa problem number 1 and problem number 2. Kasi andito, si Mr. Torres daw ay gusto niya magkaroon ng $150,000 sa loob ng 10 taon. Ang tanong is, ilan daw yung i-invest niya ngayon para magkaroon siya ng